You have just explored the concept of ecosystem-based adaptation and the kinds of interventions that can help communities build resilience to climate change while restoring ecosystems. But what does this actually look like in practice, especially in places where food security and land degradation are pressing concerns? Let's take a closer look at how one country, Ethiopia, is applying restoration interventions in production landscape to boost resilience, enhance ecosystem services, and improve food security for local communities.